What's up, guys? Welcome back, Road to the 2 Comic Club, and we are on day one of 2018, and we kicked it off very strong. I'm hoping this is a sign of a healthy economy in 2018. I'm crossing my fingers. I don't want to get too ahead of myself, but we had a really good first day of the year, and so without further ado, let's just see how we did. All right, so we did very well, guys. If you remember, we finished probably at 63, I think. So we finished up about 11 grand today, and I did do some trades. So I'm going to show you what I did, and I'll tell you why, because I'm actually going to do something I've never done in the 6 years that I started investing. And that is, I'm going to finally withdraw some money from my Scottrade account. So I've never done that before. I put in money in 2012, four different occasions, I think, and I haven't touched it since then. But the cryptocurrency is just getting, the fire within me is just burning too hot. I don't know how to use the proper phrase, but it's just getting too crazy, and I just got to jump on this opportunity while I can. The cryptocurrencies are just going nuts, and I'll show you a little bit, a little screenshot of how my currencies are doing right now. So anyways, I sold my blockchain company stock, and I figured if I'm going to invest in blockchain stuff, I might as well just buy cryptocurrencies. So I decided to sell that, and then I sold 2 contracts for Apple just to give me enough money, because I'm going to take out 6 grand. I'm going to withdraw $6,000 from this account, which means that'll only put me in for $10,000 total in the stocks. That'll be my total investment that I have currently invested. So still playing with mostly profit. And then I'm going to put that 6 grand to work in cryptocurrencies. So anyways, let's just look at how the stocks did, and then we'll talk a little bit about some news after this. But Netflix, well, basically everything just went up today. And of course, Alibaba went up really a lot after I sold it last week. So just freaking figures. I'm telling you, that always happens. But Netflix had a really good day. EA Sports had a good day. And I mean, you can just see here all the ones, freaking BlackBerry went up 40%. Lots of stocks did well today, and it was just a really good start. And if you see it on screenshot, I don't know if I posted it or not yet, depending on how I edit this, but the NASDAQ finished up 103 points to a record high 7,000. Like, NASDAQ hit officially 7,000 for the first time today, and then the Dow went up 104. I can't remember the last time the NASDAQ went up this much, guys. It's like, I don't think I can't remember if it went up at all in 2017 that much in one day. Maybe it had, maybe once, I can't remember, but it was just insane. And so the ones that did the worst for us were Home Depot and Groupon, but I still really like Home Depot for a long-term hold, and so I'm not worried about Home Depot. So let's just look at this watch list. It's just unreal. Look at that, 41% with hemp, and then this one is I keep forgetting, a therapeutics company. They went, and then a TerraTech, another marijuana company, Hemp Americana. I mean, just hemp is just, I heard recreational marijuana was legalized in California as of today, and so that maybe was a reason that pushed these up today. I think that's probably the reason, but that's just crazy. Yeah, so I'm really excited about that. Here's Alibaba. They had probably one of their best days in a long time, and of course I don't own those calls anymore, so that's just figures, but hey, I'm not complaining because Netflix went back up to $200. Super stoked. I'm going to talk about something with them in a little bit. There's just so much that happened today, and I wasn't even really paying attention because I was focused on cryptocurrencies all day, and I've just kind of been obsessed with them, to be honest. So I don't want this video to drag too long. So here's the watch list. I'm going to go back to the camera, and then we'll talk a little bit about some news and then some cryptocurrencies. All right, so some quick news with the stocks. I'm just going to talk about a few things, and one of my friends turned this on to me this morning. He sent me a link. Citigroup is predicting that there's a 40% chance Apple could buy Netflix. Now, that's been mentioned once or twice before in 2017, and that would just be ridiculous if they did that. I was double checking my calls for Netflix to see if my strike wasn't too high, because we all remember what happened with Whole Foods. We almost hit the jackpot with that one, but my strike was too high, so I ended up pretty much not making any money. So I learned a valuable lesson there. So I looked at my calls to make sure that the strike was low enough. I think it is. My strike's at $220. Netflix hit $200 right now. I do believe that if Apple were to buy Netflix, they would probably offer them, I would hope, more than $220 a share. Now, I could be wrong. and I might sell them in the future, in the near future, and buy a lower strike just to make sure. But so we'll see what happens with that. Netflix, okay, with Apple, Piper Jaffray, analyst, reiterated his bullish outlook, saying that he expects them to continue their super long cycle of price gains this year. And that could be a result of just all the stocks going up today. People are just in a good mood, having positive outlooks. So I'm not sure if that affected his opinion or not, but that's what he said. And I also believe Apple will just continue to climb just like they usually do. AMD went up today because Intel accidentally leaked details of a new chip that's using AMD graphics cards. And so their stock went up, and we have very little invested in them, I think. And so we didn't really get to benefit too much, but all in all, we had a great day today. And I'm going to close this video talking about cryptocurrencies just because I'm really huge into them right now. And I'm going to show you the coinmarketcap.com website, which shows a list of the top 100 cryptocurrencies. So let's just have a look. All right, so we have Bitcoin currently is right around 15 grand right now. But look at all these gains here for the last 24 hours. They're all green. A lot of them went up. Only a few went down, like IOTA was one that went down. But 15% gain for Dash, Neo. Look at the Tron, 47%, 18% for Roblox. A couple went down here, but I mean, most of these are huge gains. I haven't even heard of a lot of these, but these are in the top 100. You can see Steam had a really good day. I'm still a pretty beginner. I just started. It's been almost a month since I started investing in cryptos, but you can see how many of these stocks or how many of these cryptos had really good days today. Look at these three. I mean, there's just a ton of them. Okay, so Power Ledger is one of the ones I have. In fact, I'm going to show you right now my current holdings with cryptos. So most of my money is in Binance right now, and I will put a referral link in the description if you want to check it out. I'm not sure. I think we both get Bitcoin. I'm not sure how the referral program works. I forget. But anyways, this is what I mainly use to trade like cryptocurrencies, and I'm mostly just buying and holding right now. But you can see my total value is at $981, and these are the currencies I currently own. I bought Binance tokens to use for the fees, because if you use Binance tokens, you get 50% off on your fees. So it's way cheaper, and it's actually really, really cheap fees to buy the things with these as your, to pay your fees with. So you'll see this list more often. I don't want to go too deep into it because this video is going to be too long, but you'll see this. I'll show you this a lot throughout the course of the year, probably every day, just to kind of show you how the balances are going. Because I am already up 10% this year with cryptos and 7% with the stocks. And so I'm really excited about cryptocurrencies. I'm going to put some more money into it, and I'm going to try to put as much as possible without risking too much. So, so yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Here's the official name of the coin and like what they're called. Like Stellar's coins are called lumens. So I have 250 Stellar lumens, and it's currently worth this much Bitcoin, which I calculated is worth right around $140 right now. So I'll talk about this app that I downloaded to keep track of this stuff, and I will talk about that in tomorrow's video, but it's just too much to talk about right now. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this wasn't too long of a video, but I hope it was exciting. There's a lot of great stuff happening in 2018. I'm even more bullish now than I was before, just because of cryptocurrencies in general. I think as a whole, they're going to do very, very well in 2018. And so I'm diversifying into cryptos and stocks and options this year. And I'm hoping we could beat last year's returns. So our goal is at least 300% this year. Hopefully we can do it. So we'll see what happens. So if you guys like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much. Again, my name is Justin. This is Road to the 2 Comma Club, and I hope you guys are doing well, and hope you guys had a great New Year's Eve party or whatever you guys did. And yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night.